Dawn no sooner breaks than the agouti hurries to the water to drink, as there is sure to be a wildcat of some kind stopping by to slake its thirst after a night's hunting, and it's better not to tempt fate. The fox is hurrying back from its night's activities and is on the lookout for any enemies that might be in the area. There is a young puma hanging around this part of the woods, and although it would not find the fox easy prey, the fox is on the alert. It can finally take a rest, but not for long. As it draws towards midday, when the heat is most intense, the large predators in the neighborhood take a rest. The creatures that are potentially their prey feel less threatened and come out to feed. The monkeys then go back to the task of quenching their thirst while remaining alert to any sign of danger. The tera feeds in the trees on small animals and invertebrates and has little to fear. The agoutis are constant visitors, but now every precaution must be taken, as it is nearly time for the ocelot to do the rounds of its hunting grounds, and it will stop by to rest a while before continuing. For a moment, the ocelot picks up the scent of something in the undergrowth, probably the agouti or the rabbit. But after making sure that there's no one nearby, it decides to take off into the night. The chachalakas immediately sound the alarm throughout the neighborhood, alerting the other animals. They know that the hour of the predators is drawing near.